Yo guys, so weird timeline of video. Today the MR2 got an alignment, which I'm gonna show you here. Wait, let me put you guys down because this is annoying. It's kind of annoying that you guys stand on the bar and everything. So just wanted to give a couple of things, talk about a couple of things which I didn't mention while I was filming the drive back. I am gonna be doing a giveaway. Nothing big, it's probably just like a hoodie or something, just like merch. I'm thinking about doing something like really cool with it, like MGKG branding, the whole brand, because I'm thinking about starting MGKG as not a clothing brand but a collective, like, you know, like my guys, you lot are my guys fam. So yeah, giveaway happening when I reach 50 subs maybe, or maybe like 100 subs. I guess that'll be good. So when you guys watch this video, like, share, subscribe, make sure you share it, make sure all your guys watch it, and also make sure to DM me or email me. My email will be on the bottom, or if you follow me on Instagram, which is mgkg_official, DM me to get your car featured on my channel, because I've got some big things coming and you do not want to miss it. So anyway guys, enjoy the video and love to you all.
I be the iron god, defend her heart like Loftus cheek. She the freak of the week, and if I think of her, then she just text me. Man, it's been some months since I journeyed with her under the sheets. It's 5 o'clock, mind the neighbours, but I don't care, don't stay discreet. Audio, no visual, only for me, you see. Cause I hear her breathing, sounding like the wind by the seas. She asked me if I had some feelings for her, but I don't wanna lie. Cause I care about her, but I don't want a wife, but I don't mind when she by my side. She don't fuck with me in the school, but she still text me, think I'm a fool. Sw20, 2002. If I wanna move one way, then I do. Can't tell me about nothing. Anything you say, you always bluffing. So I'm walking around like carnival, with my gum fingers gum busting. Can't lie, man, I'm feeling lovely. So just put you to the side like chutney.
Yo guys, what's going on? It's a bit of a sad day today, I can't lie. I'm getting rid of the GTO. Now, a lot of you are asking why am I doing this? Wasn't this supposed to be a project car? This and that. It was, but I've got no time for it. I've got no space, and there's just a lot of there's things that I want to do with the MR2, which would be great if I could free up space, free up time, free up money. So yeah, I'm getting rid of my dream car, really. Don't know how I feel about it, but I'm going to take you guys on the process of me selling it. I'm not going to film the guy, but I'll film the car driving off. I did a bit of detailing earlier, I did a bit of interior cleaning, so it's all good for the new owner and everything. But yeah, I'll be sad to see it go, I can't lie. Yeah, alright, well, I'll see you guys when I get there, alright?
Got it.
Right guys, it's been a bit of a long video, but just filming a POV just to do a bit of testing. So it's night time now. This is actually the second time I'm filming this. Basically what happened is I had the camera angled up way too high, so you couldn't actually see anything. You couldn't see me driving, so I had to redo this whole thing. I just finished my lecture at uni, Middlesex University, so I'm about to take you guys on a POV drive home, test out this new alignment settings I have, the new camber settings and everything that we got, based on a sheet that you would have seen, see how the MR2 handles differently, because I've had a lot of people say that when an alignment of an MR2 turbo is just right, it feels like no other car on the road. That's, at least that's what I've heard, that's MR2 people. But anyway, enough of me rambling, let's get to driving. Last day MR2. I think I'm actually the only person in Middlesex who's got a modified car in my uni anyway, that I know of. I mean, it's a bold statement, but I personally think it's true actually. So yeah, I mean, from this sounds a bit weird. So from first thought to me driving, everything seems pretty fine. The guys at Artec did a really good job of the alignment. Sorry if you can't really see much. I'm sorry it's dark. I finished my lecture at 6:30, so yeah, everything seems fine. There's no niggles, there's no play in it. We'll see as we go around this corner, see if there's any alignment issues or anything, or any niggles. But when I drove it here to my lecture, it didn't feel like anything, but I wasn't really going around corners or anything. So we'll see. Just gonna adjust you guys a little bit. I think that guy, that would be good. That's a good position, I think. Not bad at the moment. Guys at Artec, as I said, really good guys. Oh, there's a nice 3 Series. There's a 320D. Let's see how we go around this corner. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's way better. Yeah. That's way better. Way better. I can't lie to you. I mean, the wiggle is still slightly there, but I'm guessing that's still my steering wheel. Actually, no, maybe I'm just being too critical. There's not really any niggles, I'll be honest with you. It's still straight. It's precise. I'm literally the slightest niggle and the car moves, so that's great. That's different than how I had it before. Let's just get into this lane here, do a couple downshifts. Oh, what is that? Hello. Okay, lady driven as well. Not bad, not bad. I actually don't know what that is, so I've got no clue. Oh, isn't that? Oh, hello. A nice RS4 there as well. Man, I actually love going uni in London. It's so sick. Like, it's kind of like this place where it's like, if you go to a different part of London, you're expecting to see like some, you know, bougie cars, like you know, just all you're gonna see, you feel like you're gonna see is Mercs and everything. But nah, man, you got the old RS4 right there. I think they call those B4s or B4s. Please don't stay me in the comments for that one. B4 RS4. Oh, okay. So yeah, I mean, it's driving straight. When I'm boosting, everything's fine. Man, I love this car. I really do love this car. It's my favorite car that I've owned, for sure. I mean, I own my NA. I never filmed when I owned my NA. I literally started YouTube when I got my GTO. But my NA, it was a great car, it just lacked power, which this obviously makes up for as I'm driving now. Actually, let's change lane as well. Let's change lane there. You really had to rag it out, but even when you ragged out, you didn't kill your MPG. You know, much like this car, you rag it out and you're getting at least 20s I think. If I rag it out, I mean, I'm a £20 man, so £20 meaning I only fill up £20 each time I go to the petrol station. Yeah, everything seems fine. Just gonna take you guys on the rest of the POV because I think it's a good time to talk about what's happening on with this channel. I should be uploading more, or if my upload schedule is okay, because right now it's not that I'm uploading when I upload, but I'm uploading at least once a week, and you know, that really fits in well with my schedule, but I don't have a specific day where I should upload, so it kind of makes me feel like I should have a specific day, but I don't. You know, as I said, like I'm at university, so I don't have like a lot of free time as these automotive car YouTubes have. I only have specific days which I know that I can film something. So in terms of having a schedule, literally still it might have to be maybe 1 or 2 uploads a week. If that's what you guys want to see, then I will try my best, and obviously if it doesn't work out, I don't work out, you know. I would have tried my best, but as I said, so at the beginning of this video I would have said that I would have sold my GTO. I just couldn't pass up giving the guy a good price for it. I mean, that's the plans right now. I'm you know, I want to get more car features on here. I've got, you know, I've DM'd a couple people, talked to a couple people. I've got a very big special one that we're planning to do. You guys are going to be not too shocked, but it'll be a really good video, yeah, so that's it really. So you guys share, like, subscribe for that, because I think I'll do it maybe once when I get to 50 subs or when I get to about 60. So yeah, give it the beans. Woo! Give it the beans. And we're off. Woo! If you guys did not catch that, I actually have rolling launch mapped into the vehicle as a party trick to show people. I really don't use it at all. It's not an overwhelming launch control. I mean, the turbo I have on right now is a little spinny boy. It's a little one, it's not a very big one, so it's not like, you know, this car isn't ready for roll racing yet. But those are the plans. I'm planning to take it roll racing. I'm gonna go Santa pods. Gonna take it next year. I'm gonna build this car so next year on tracks. I don't miss no Jap Fest, I don't miss tracks, and I'm gonna get this car on track. You guys watch me, you know, from now, like from this time now, you guys are gonna see this video possibly, or I'm gonna talk about it in the future, and I'm gonna link this video in a video later in the future saying I'm taking this car to tracks and I'm taking it on track and I'm blowing people out the water with this whip blend. With this whip, fam, I'm blowing people. I don't even care. This car is too quick, fam. So, anyway, enough of me gassing. It's night time now, so I'm sure you guys can't really see that much. But yeah, thanks for watching. And I guess I'll do an outro.
Trying to stack some peas and money, trying to stack some pence and cash. So I don't even have to be hungry, and I ain't got to do the maths, just splash.